When you enable electronic records and electronic signatures for work definitions, you can gain additional control over versioning as well as an approval workflow. For instance, in version 2 of this work definition, it starts out in a draft status. You can make your changes by adding or deleting operations, as well as changing any of the materials, resources, or outputs. When you're done with your changes, you go ahead, save and submit this work definition, which launches the approval workflow. This is a way for you to include other approvers. Once this workflow is submitted, you go ahead and refresh to look for your work definition. Once you refresh and find your work definition, you go ahead and navigate to the notification. Here you will see some details of the electronic record. You can open this in PDF and review the details. When you're satisfied with the electronic record, go ahead and approve the electronic record by logging in once more. Once that is submitted, then the approval workflow takes the work definition to the final status of approved. If we navigate back to that version 2 of the work definition, we should now see it in approved status.